little bit after the Fed announcement. Looks like Neo went into an uptrend.
We're now about 1 month away from the first dose of the
We've got
coronavirus
Pfizer in a downtrend still. Looks like we're hitting a nice little bottom though. You know, we should see a bounce from here. Okay. And even if I average down from my position now, I would still only make it to somewhere around here. So it's not particularly worth for me to even do that. Right now it's 4 shares. I'm down, you know, a couple bucks on it. And if it drops even lower, then I can average, you know, down, you know, and that would make it worth it. So we'll see where it goes, but you know, for now it's just kind of downtrending. Peloton here. Okay, nice little uptrend. What about on the day? Or 4 hour? Okay. But, look at this. Yeah, that's bound to come back down. Okay. What Pfizer look like on the day? See here? This big giant pull. You know, it could likely come down to here. And then that'll make my buy-in even better, and then I can really get in between the spread and it'll go up. So I think that very well could happen. I think that kind of looks like the direction it wants to go. Just loves to pull back, so, you know, and it does it for a while. You know, I'd even be smart to maybe even come in here and put a short in on it. Yeah. Okay. But it says it's sideways right now. Okay, what is real? Real is in an uptrend on the 4 hour. Not really. I mean, it says uptrend, but it's kind of downtrending. So let's see here. Okay. Uptrend, downtrend, simple trend. Now where are we getting that at? Yeah. Downtrend. Okay. So when it's not trending at all, it just shows you know, it just shows the regular candles. Okay. Let's see what it shows on a Renko chart. They can't recognize it.
Are you having a nice day, Miss Claridge?
But it looks like it's a pullback. Caught it on this one. Okay. Beam is sideways, but it's got a lot of fill down up here, so we could see some drops, some droppage.
Plastic round tip scissors. One marble blue. And one
Yeah, it just likes to have big drops. Yeah, I can see that.
written on the blade.
Yeah.
Trent, where you gonna go?
Okay.
I got business to take
So
care
those
of.
are some of our losers here. Let's see what else we have.
How it is? What is wrong
Let's
with
see.
you?
Okay.
Nothing wrong, sir. Nothing at all.
You've been shut up in your room for days, Butters. You need to go outside. Go play.
Outside? No way.
Why not?
No reason.
Butters, we have had it with you moping around.
Okay.
You're gonna go outside, you're gonna play right now.
But Dad, I just want to stand on.
Interesting. Now what this one searches for
Go play right now, young man.
is, let's edit that, and we can see what we've got. So we've got our clothes, $1.50 to max, or 5,000, negative 33% to plus 3. Looks like so we're trying to find ones that are moving. And then we're looking for unusual volume, at least 20% from its average over 50 periods. And let's adjust our to say 13. And then save. Okay. And it'll repopulate a couple, but it gives us a little bit of a different kind of spread. And we can check out the red ones for decline, and then we can check out the high ones for runners. Might even give us some stocks we really aren't interested in. Let's see. Why is Direction going down? Okay. Now let's check this out on, say the max. Alright. And it looks like it popped here in price. Got a huge pop. And that was in March. Okay, we know why. Alright, other than that, it's pretty not, yeah, not really the greatest trading, but it's tradable. Yeah, not the greatest trading, but it is totally tradable. Okay. Extra space storage. Low-tech.
We're gonna talk about Russ and you hiding freaking Van Goghs in a coal mine? I'm toasted.
Drunk History, Tuesdays at 9. Part of 31 more days of being home for the holidays on Comedy Central.
Okay. Let's check out. This one. Okay. I must have confused the computer. Asking it way too much. Voila. Okay. Here we go. I like the way this setup looks. Gives me a nice TTM squeeze. Gives me the trend right in the brick. You know, yeah, I mean, Dish looks really tradable. Cool. That might be a nice portfolio stock. So we'll look into that one. Global funds, the world in your hands. Okay. I mean, I like it. I love the way this looks. See, that's a bit more choppy. And it's at an all-time high, at least on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we've got on our max. For our daily max. Okay, so we've still got some upside here from before. $30. Maybe a little upside from the year before. $34. So, and let's take and change our range. Let's change our tick to say like 50. Or, yeah, let's go back out and check 10 years of the global on 100 tick. 10 years on 100 tick, that should give us, yeah, a nice visual. Okay, so, I mean, who knows what year this was. Okay, yeah. Not in the past 5 years. So, the past 5 years, we've got this action going on here. So it looks like we could still possibly be seeing some upwards action. But let's wait for a pullback. So, looks like we have, you know, some steady pullbacks. And we're looking at 100 ticks, so 26. Okay, so it will drop significantly. Yeah, I wouldn't want to get tied up in that right now. That does not look like anything that, you know, you would do well on. Not yet. Wait for it to drop off. So, healthcare services group. Well, looks like they've had a nice little bit of a drop off. But this is a totally tradable you know, setup here. I mean, this runs a couple dollars. So, okay, let's see, 23, 24, 25. You know, yeah, you know, you can get in between here. Okay. So let's go. What? Whoa. Okay. So let's get this switched over to maybe like the 90-day, and we'll do 10 tick, and we'll see what happens. Alright. Now we can see where we're at. Alright. Now we can see we're way overextended. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, we might come up from here, but
That's the preschool teacher, Miss Claridge. Poor woman suffered such horrible burns she could only communicate by beeping once for yes and twice.
okay, now this has some good trading action. I like the way this looks.
Miss Claridge, nice day, isn't it?
Alright.
Across the street, Miss Claridge.
I have to see what HDS and its volume is, but I mean, I do like it. So, let's write this one down. Yeah, we're gonna write this one down. Or
Big for yes and two for no. Don't you think you should get out of the street?
let's see, where is me pen?
Look, you
Cannot
don't have
see
to be
it.
so cold. I'm just trying to help.
It must be.
Ooh, sorry.
Let's turn on the light here.
Can Kyle come out and play?
Oh, Kyle isn't home right now. Thank you, ma'am.
You see, Mom, all the kids at school were told to bring a picture of their mom's breasts for anatomy class.
NHL.
I don't know, son. That sounds awfully strange. You cannot have a picture of my hot breast. But Mom,
Okay.
my teacher will. No. You gotta go. But Nan.
Online resources, ORCC. Looks like it's about to switch over, to a nice uptrend. Looks like there's some room. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Okay. Yeah. But it doesn't tend to have big moves. Not very often at all. Yeah. I don't know that I'd be looking to trade that. What else can we look into? Let's see how this one's doing. Okay. I mean, we know this is gonna drop. They're taking all their money for R&D.
Hey, hold on a second. These are like the hottest tits I've ever seen.
Yeah, these guys are using all their money for R&D. So if you want to trade it, yeah, I mean,
Those are so hot.
we'd have to wait for a weekly low, like we see here, and then buy into that. But it looks like decent, decent trading anyhow. But the bigger moves, I mean, you can definitely make more money on the short moves than the up moves.
I wish that I could watch non-holiday movies during the holidays.
I can see that.
A very similar holiday. Only get wrong.
Let's see, Chand. Okay. It gives you your signals in a way different way, but at least with an arrow, it tells you where to look, or where you should be looking. Need to do some adjustments here and get these plots off of the screen. But wherever it plots, and that's where it should fire. The up and down signals. Okay.
You ain't ready for this.
And maybe let's check on.
Kicking off the season with sex, lip sync, spoil your
I don't know why this hasn't totally tanked yet.
About to start, honey.
RuPaul's Drag Race premieres New Year's Day on VH1.
Dig into a viral video feeds to fun.
What's it trading at? $17?
Join Angela and laugh along with
Oh,
Adam's
man.
serious deliciousness.
I'm gonna be there in my cougar sweater.
Deliciousness.
Yeah,
New series
I expect this
continues
to
all
just
week
get
on
shorted
NBC.
to nothing. Unless they can outsource their, vehicle production to another factory. Have them put their, bodies together and them, the motors in it, whatever, things like that, with them, but I don't know. But, yeah, that's what I kind of think, though. Without them being able to do everything themselves, I think they just got way, way too far ahead of themselves, and trying to compete with the competition. And had they gone just a little bit slower, it'd be something that was successful, probably by now, but not a bust. I don't know. At least with Trevor Milton, I don't know, man. Okay. Let's throw up another set here. Okay. I don't really like that trading. Okay, let's see. JetBlue. JetBlue's got some nice trading today. And maybe CCL. Yeah. Yeah, so we may even be starting to find some bullish action here. Here's somewhere around this, there's the November 2nd again, that blast off, and then boom, all the stocks went up. And see, they're very overextended right now, so I think what we're looking at is this little pullback here before the flush. So I think everything's about to flush out. Yeah, I think it's all about to flush out. So we'll have to wait for our next dip and flush, and then we can jump in. Here's our dip, or our flush, and then our dip. Yeah, flush, and then our dip. We can buy in. Flush, and then our dip. We don't want that. We don't want it, don't want it, don't want it. Well, we might have took this one. We probably would have taken that one. We would have taken that one. We would have taken that one. We would have definitely taken that with the signal. Okay. So we need to set up some alerts for daily scans. Maybe even some weekly scans. Let's come back out here and look on the week. Yeah, we should design some weekly scans. Absolutely.
And one game we played was called Fired. I've been looking for you. 5 years I've been waiting for this day. Trent, look, we realized our mistake. Yes, our conscience got the best of us, and we were just about to tell you the truth. Went 5 years ago.
Right.
And while I wasted away my life in prison, you've been enjoying nice, normal lives. My life's not been enjoyable, Trent. I promise you. Don't tell me that. I heard about the things you've done. But there were no magical Christmas adventures with talking poo for me. I didn't get a fighting huge mechanized Barbra Streisand like you did. No accidental trips to Afghanistan for Trent Boyette. Stay away from us, Trent. What's that? It's my mom's taser. I took it from her purse. It's back off that. Look, just take your punishment. You deserve it. Let me have my retribution and they can be over with. I am not going to have a titty twister. I hate titty twisters. You don't even know how to use that.
Cardtronics. Interesting. Okay. Looks like Oracle's going for a little bit of a run after this nice dip here.
Trent Boyette is a liar, sir.
And I thought, see this channel I drew a while back when I was trading it? I was trading within this channel, and I thought it was about to drop out of the channel, so I took my profit and got out. I took my profit right up here. But, you know, I should have noticed that was a hammer on the weaker day. But look at this, you know, it's going to continue to go up. Yeah, but it could have a pullback now. Let's see what we've got here. See the trend, the channel that it's staying in. You know, it's kind of in the middle of that channel.
Dear Magic Snowball, I wish Meredith wouldn't flash her boobs at the Christmas party.
Yeah, I think we'll be looking for a slight pullback. See the 4-hour chart, how it lays out. You know, it lays out, you know, nearly right in that channel. So it should be pulling back to the bottom of this channel now. Maybe I even want to come back out and, you know, redraw that channel back up there. That way, you know, we can see where that is. Yeah, I don't know if this one can do, we'll have to see which ones are available for 24-hour trading. But maybe we want to know when price closes above our MOBO band, you know what I mean? That would be a good one to know about. So we will make a scan for when the price closes above our MOBO band, and then it'll populate a watch list and show us, and we can catch some runners that way. So maybe I'll go on, I'll design a scan, and I'll come back, and then I'll build it again for you guys. So happy trading, and I hope everyone makes some money, and I'll catch you on the next one.